Hey Luke, this is a very quick email video. You weren't quite sure where to put things. Now, the invitation to the banquet. If you go into number 3, invitation to the banquet, it's got that little Dropbox thing. That was where you put the invitation to. It's called the invitation, and you click on that. And you click on the create submission, and then you can either just copy and paste it into there, or click or drag here to attach the files. Click next, and it's submitted, and that will be wonderful. Thank you. Clicking my way out of it. And of course, wise and foolish builders is something that you should have been able to, again, submit. Actually, no, wise and foolish builders was not a submission one. Nope. You should just have written some notes to put into your CS folder. Certainly understanding cultural context of ancient Israel. Let's watch these and do the quiz. So you should have done the quiz for me.
Sorry?
It's okay. And just doing another double check. What else? Okay, so comparison, invitation, wise and foolish builders, and understanding the cultural context. That's the 4 that we've got done. Later on, I'm going to be making a little video to introduce the assignment. Okay, thank you.